guys, welcome back to another After Dark Clean with me. Tonight I'm just quickly tidying up my living room, kitchen, and my bedroom. My bedroom is a hot mess and it's been like that for the past couple days. I've kind of been putting it off, so I'm really anxious to tackle that tonight since I have some time to myself to do that. I also have a basket of laundry, clean clothes that's been sitting in my basket for 2 weeks now that I need to fold and put away. So let's get started.
Take it away, feeling too good to me, chilling all day.
I've really come to enjoy cleaning at night versus during the day. Since I am at home with my 4 boys all day long, the house gets pretty messy. It's just been way easier for me to clean everything up after I've put them to bed because I know that when we wake up the next morning, the house looks exactly the way I left it.
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
If you're new to my channel, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'm Dani. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 4 little boys. I upload real-life cleaning motivation plus home organization videos every week. I'd love for you to be a part of this tidy tribe, so hit that red subscribe button below.
I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
I know you guys really can't see what I'm doing here, but I found this really cute earring organizer from the Container Store that I shared over on my Instagram a few weeks ago that now sits on the top of my desk. So I was putting away some earrings that I had laying around.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
War is a 4-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. 4-letter words.
Do you guys make your bed every morning? Some days I do and other days I don't. Honestly, it's partly because the minute it's all made up, my boys can't help but to jump on it and make it messy again. Hashtag mom life.
Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like down, down, soulless man, do you feel it? Down, love hurts more when you're in it. No, gravity at its limit. Do you feel? Do you feel?
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go.
So if you guys saw my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me Part 2 video, you know that I was so excited to try these Santa hat chair covers that I saw from Dollar Tree on my table this year. And it wasn't even 3 days, you guys, and these things did not last. I started to notice that on the corner edges of my chairs, they were beginning to poke through. Now, it could be because the corners of my chairs are a bit rough. I don't know. But hey, they were only $1 from Dollar Tree, so what can I say?
This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
you guys don't have a dishwasher like me, I want to tell you 2 quick and easy ways I make my dishwater stay fresh longer. So the first being is sometimes I like to add just a cap full of bleach to my dishwater. Now I don't add bleach to my dishwater all the time, but every now and again between washes to disinfect our dishes, and I've noticed that when I do that, my dishwater definitely stays clean longer. And second, giving each dish a good pre-rinse, obviously, will help to make sure that I'm not putting filthy, dirty dishes in that dishwater. And I save the dirtiest dish for last. So that's how I keep my dishwater cleaner longer.
I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. I'm drowning underwater. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling. Need to let you go to find myself. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so?
Yes, my floors look like this at the end of every single day. There's always crumbs everywhere. That's why I love my cordless vacuum cleaner. It makes sweeping up these messes easy and so satisfying. I do have an entire review of my vacuum cleaner right here on YouTube, and I will link that above and below in the description box so you guys can watch that next.
I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better? Now that you've broken my trust, oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah, I believe it's true.
I hope y'all enjoyed this very quick after dark tidy. I plan to do more evening cleaning motivation videos like this in the future, so make sure you subscribe below and hit that bell so you don't miss it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I've had enough of you. You're just too much. I'm way too good for you. You're just a bluff.